Welcome back to our channel, Herbal Guru. Today, we have an incredible herb to talk about. One that has been used for centuries for its amazing health benefits. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes. It's a powerhouse of health-promoting properties. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of garlic and uncover its fascinating history, incredible health benefits, and how you can incorporate it into your daily life. Let's start by peeling back the layers and understanding what makes garlic so special. Did you know that garlic belongs to the allium family, along with onions, shallots, and leeks? It's not just a cooking staple, it's a medicinal treasure trove. Throughout history, garlic has been valued for its medicinal properties. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans recognized its therapeutic benefits. In fact, garlic was used by the Egyptians while constructing the Great Pyramids. Talk about a powerful herb. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which gives it that distinctive aroma and many of its therapeutic effects. This potent compound is known for its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Scientific research has shown that garlic can have a positive impact on various aspects of our health. From supporting cardiovascular health, boosting the immune system, to reducing the risk of certain cancers, the benefits of garlic are truly remarkable. Some additional health benefits of garlic include lowering blood pressure. Garlic has been shown to have a positive effect on blood pressure levels, helping to reduce hypertension and improve overall cardiovascular health. Cholesterol management. Regular consumption of garlic may help lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels and increase HDL, good, cholesterol, contributing to a healthier lipid profile. Anti-cancer properties. Garlic contains compounds that have been associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including colorectal, stomach, and prostate cancer. Its antioxidant properties may help protect cells from damage and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Now, let's get practical. How can you incorporate garlic into your daily life and enjoy its benefits? Well, there are countless ways to use garlic in your cooking. Whether it's adding minced garlic to your pasta sauce, roasting whole cloves, or infusing it in oils and dressings, the possibilities are endless. For those who prefer a more convenient option, garlic supplements are also available. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. To inspire you to embrace garlic in your kitchen, we have prepared some mouth-watering recipes for you to try. Get ready for garlic bread, roasted garlic mashed potatoes, and a delightful garlic-infused salad dressing that will leave your taste buds craving for more. From its rich history to its incredible health benefits and delicious culinary applications, garlic truly deserves a special place in your pantry. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some garlic and let nature's pharmacy work its magic in your life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our future episodes exploring the wonders of nature's pharmacy. And as always, stay healthy and keep embracing the power of nature.